What is the urinary system? Definition of urinary system. The urinary system, also known as the renal system or urinary tract, is the one of the most important systems in the human body. It consists of the kidneys, ureter, bladder, and urethra. Its main functions are to eliminate metabolic waste from the blood, regulate body fluid and electrolyte balance, maintain blood pressure, and ensure acid-base homeostasis. The physiology of the urinary system explains how the organs work together to produce, store, and remove urine from the body. Its main functions are filtration, reabsorption, augmentation, and regulation of water balance and blood pressure. Before we learn now how it all works, let's first take a look at the anatomy of the urinary system. The urinary system is made up of several important organs. And the first, kidney. Kidney is two bean-shaped organ that filter blood and produce urine. And the second is ureters. Ureters is narrow tube that carry urine from each kidney to the bladder. And the third is bladder. Bladder is a muscular pouch that stores urine until it's released. And the fourth is urethra. Urethra is the tube that carries urine out of the body. Let's take a closer look at the internal structure of the kidneys and their function. First, the renal capsule. It's a thin, toothed outer membrane that covers and protects the kidneys. It helps maintain the kidney shape and acts as a barrier against injury and infection. Beneath the capsule is the renal cortex. The cortex is the outer layer of the kidneys that contains most of the nephron, the tiny filtering units. This is where blood filtration begins. Deeper inside is the renal medulla. The medulla is made up of several cone-shaped structures called renal pyramids. This pyramid contains the tubules and collecting ducts that carry urine from the nephron towards the center of the kidneys. Between each pyramid, there are spaces called renal columns. The renal columns contain blood vessels and connective tissue that help support and separate the pyramid. At the center of the kidneys, all the urine formed in the pyramids flow into a funnel-spare area called the renal pelvis. The renal pelvis collects urine and channels it into the ureter, which then carries it to the bladder. The renal artery brings oxygen-rich blood from the heart into the kidney. This blood contains waste products that need to be filtered. After the filtration process, the cleaned blood leaves the kidney through the renal vein, returning to the bloodstream. And inside the renal pyramid, we can find the nephron, the functional unit of the kidney. Each kidney contains about 1 million nephrons, and each nephron plays a very important role in the process of filtering the blood and forming urine. The nephron is made up of several parts, including the Bowman capsule, glomerulus, proximal convoluted tubule, loop of Henle, distal convoluted tubule, and collecting duct. All of these structures work together to remove waste, reabsorb useful substances, and regulate the balance of water and electrolytes in the body. In simple terms, the nephron is where the real work of the kidney happens. It's like a tiny filter that cleans the blood and produces urine. In the kidneys, blood enters to the glomerulus where filtration takes place in producing what's called primary urine. This fluid still contains useful substances like glucose, amino acids, salt, and water. As it flows to the proximal convoluted tubule, these essential substances are reabsorbed into the bloodstream through surrounding capillaries. The remaining fluid, now called secondary urine, continues its journey through the loop of Henle, the distal convoluted tubule, and finally into the collecting duct. Here, further adjustments are made before the final urine is passed to the bladder for excretion. This process allows the body to conserve what it needs and remove what it doesn't.